This is Parodia Warasii Cactus. For this type of cactus, we need a larger pot because Parodia Warasii needs space to grow and spread. For repotting cactus, I regularly use cacti potting mix. You need gloves to protect your hands. Gently loosen the soil around the edges so you can remove your cactus easily. Carefully lean the plant, in its pot, onto its side. Release the roots gently and remove the cactus from its old pot. Put some of the cactus mix in the bottom of the new container. Place the cactus in the center of the new container while holding it gently and fill the remaining space with soil. Since cacti are renowned for their hardiness, transplanting them is usually no problem as long as nothing was harmed. Once you fill the pot completely, it's time for watering. Water the cactus, allowing excess water to drain away. Allow the compost to dry out slightly between each watering. If you like my content, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and it's completely free for you. Thanks for watching.